Good Friday morning, everybody. Cloudy, still some lingering showers at times today, but drying as the day rolls on and into this evening. But the clouds, I just don't think they're going to go anywhere. Warm and somewhat muggy weekend, and we are still anticipating a blast of cooler air by next week. So real quickly, here's that forecast for the next 3 days. Mid-70s for today, low 80s on Saturday and a Sunday. Before this deluge of rain, we were actually abnormally dry. From our latest drought monitor, this came out yesterday morning. They took the soil samples on Tuesday. That's, of course, before all the rain came. Trust me, by next week, that report will say wet, not dry. That's because most of us saw between 1 to 3 in North Georgia to 2 to 4 inches across southeast Tennessee. And as of 9 a.m. this morning, we've seen just over 4¼ inches of rain officially in Chattanooga. We broke a record yesterday with 3.91 inches of rain. Wow, what a good soaker. But not much in the way of flooding or ponding on the roads because we have been somewhat dry. So we'll take this. This kind of fills up the reservoirs, if you will. Now, that L, that's actually the remnants of beta. This is where all this rain came from, but most of the heavy rain now into parts of North Carolina and into the Virginias. High pressure dominates this weekend, a warm weekend, partly cloudy, high temperatures around 80. In the meantime, we'll be watching this cold front that sweeps through here probably on Tuesday morning. That brings us rain and then below average temperatures from Tuesday through next weekend and beyond. Yep. Here we go as we look at the rest of today, mid-60s to upper 60s at lunchtime, and a lot of clouds. I really don't think we see any breaks in the clouds today, unfortunately, so that's going to make things slow to dry. However, low to mid-70s will be a high today. Friday night football, Friday night plans, I think we're okay. The bleachers will be wet, so make sure you put something down to cover up the tush, and the fields will be certainly sloppy. Low to mid-60s in the morning. By the afternoon, I'm looking at high temperatures as sunshine reemerges after a cloudy start, highs upper 70s and the low 80s. So when is our next chance of rain? I think Sunday's the same as tomorrow, low 80s, partly cloudy. So let's get into Sunday night, Monday. A little disturbance moves in that could touch off an isolated shower, but then better chances of rain later Monday. This model has the rain holding off on Monday and not until Tuesday, but I will mention some scattered showers and rumbles are possible Monday night and Tuesday morning as a cold front comes marching through. After that, I'm looking at drier conditions settling in. We could have a few thunderstorms on Tuesday too. Just depends on when that front moves in. Somewhat humid over the weekend. All this green represents some moisture. I mean, we're not talking July standards here, but you'll notice the mugginess. On Monday, same deal. But then behind that front comes that dry air on Tuesday, and then another front moves in here on Thursday, reinforcing the dry, cool air heading into later next week. I'm thinking upper 70s, maybe around 80 on Monday. We'll start off Tuesday in the 60s. And look at this, by Tuesday afternoon with some showers around, we may only be in the 60s for the rest of the day, kind of like yesterday. And then we begin to dry out, and our temperatures stay in the 60s to around 70 on Wednesday. The low temperatures in the 40s on Thursday morning, could be in the low 40s as we head into Friday morning. Friday and the next weekend, we could see a lot of 30s around the area too. And believe it or not, the first week of October, if we stay in this sort of cool regime, I would not be surprised we see some frost around the area. Wow. We normally average our first frost in the end of October. So Friday night forecast, we're looking at 72 degrees, give or take, at 6 o'clock for warm-ups, and then into the mid-60s as we head into later on this evening. So kind of cloudy, but I don't see any showers. 81 Saturday, 82 degrees on Sunday, and I do expect some sunshine along with some clouds. And then there's that 7-day. I got 67 on Tuesday with scattered showers. Temperatures kind of holding steady or falling in the afternoon. And then, I mean, we're not talking anything cold, but we're looking at upper 60s, low 70s next Wednesday and Thursday, and lows in the 40s, which is about 7 to 10 degrees below average. All right, everybody, have yourself a wonderful weekend.